This is a fresh spring look that I created using the Too Faced Born This Way the Natural Nudes palette. And the first shade I'm going in with is Petal on a M514 Morphe blending brush. So I am just blending the shade right into my crease area, just building it up slowly. This is a beautiful pink transition shade. It's not an overkill of pink, but the perfect amount of pink. And this blending brush, the Morphe M514, is the perfect blending brush, my ultimate ride or die blending brush. The second shade I'm going in with is Maple on a Morphe M514 blending brush. Maple is my favorite shade in this palette. I love this shade. It's so beautiful. It's a beautiful, warm brown. I just love it. It's like my obsession at the moment. But I am just blending this into my outer V, up into my crease, using, of course, my favorite blending brush, the Morphe M514. And I'm just taking my time blending this out, making sure it's really, really nice and blended in the outer V and outer crease area. The third shade I am going in with is called Shimmering Pearl on a Colourpop E4, and I am wetting this brush with Colourpop Fresh Setting Spray. So these shimmers in this palette are a little hard to work with. You really have to get your brush wet to work with them. They can be difficult. The reason I love this palette so much is mainly for the mattes. The matte shades are beautiful, pigmented, well blendable, and the shimmer shades are also very beautiful, but I just have a hard time sometimes working with them. I have found that other palettes by Too Faced have better shimmers than this palette, but like I said, the mattes in this palette are to die for. And I'm only applying this shade to the inner half of my eyelid. So the next shade I am going in with is Petal on a Morphe JH43 brush, and I am just blending this along my bottom lash line. Next, I'm going in with Albatross NARS highlighter into my inner corner using the Real Techniques detailing brush. Then I'm going in with a Colourpop E6 brush in the shade Truffle, and I'm just lining my lash line with this dark brown shade. And then I'm applying Rimmel London Nude eyeliner to my bottom waterline. To finish this look, I'm applying mascara, and then I'm applying the brand Kiss lashes in the style Pageboy. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe.